We have to solve this formula for c. Okay, c is the part of the fraction. So anytime we want to eliminate the fraction, in order to pull out c, we have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. Always by the denominator. So I'm going to multiply right side by 2 pi fc and the left side by 2 pi fc. Okay, so denominator and 2 pi fc will cancel out, and I'm going to have 2 pi fc x of c equals 1. Okay, I'm looking for c. In order to find c, I have to realize that c is multiplied to 2 pi f and also is multiplied to x of c. I have to eliminate these variables and constants from c. Because c is multiplied to them, I'm going to use division. I'm going to divide by every single constant and variable which I don't need next to c. That's why I'm going to have 2 pi f x of c. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. So I have 2 pi f x of c. X of c and x of c will cancel out. F and f will cancel out. Pi and pi will cancel out, and 2 will cancel out. That's why I'm going to have c equals 1 over 2 pi f x of c. This is the solution to my problem.